I am Professor Prakash K. I am working at Government First Grade College, Davangere, as an Associate Professor of Zoology. Today, we shall take another one chapter, that is the parental care in birds. That has been takes place in parental care in Kogile. This the coil is a member of the cuckoo order of birds, that is Cuccioliformes. It is found in South Africa, that is the South Asia, sorry, not South Africa. In a Asian coil is the brood parasite that lays their eggs in the nest of the crows, and it lays the eggs on the other hosts who raise its egg. Males may distract their hosts so that the female will get a chance the lays on eggs in the nest of the other host alone. Quail usually lay only an egg or two eggs in a single nest, but as many as 7 to 11 eggs that have been reported from some home nests. A female may remove a host egg before laying. The eggs hatch in a 12 to 14 days. The young coil does not always push out egg or evict the host chicks, and initially calls like a crow. The young in a that is the 20 to 28 days, about female coils, that is they have been known to feed young coils in the nest of the other hosts. And also another one, that is the parental care in a sunbirds. They are smaller in size, feeding mainly on a nectar, but sometimes takes insects, and particularly when feeding young. The breeding usually mainly that will take place during the monsoon itself. Female bird construct the nest using especially plant fibers and also lichens. The female stay in the nest at a night a couple of days before laying the eggs. The sunbirds' eggs are laid in the nest and incubated by both male and female in an alternate fashions. Eggs are usually laid in the morning, and the incubating time varies from 14 to 16 days. And now we shall see parental care in pigeons. Parivala. Sorry, not pigeons, penguins, but that we shall take in the penguins. Penguins is a polar migratory bird. They are very dedicated, especially in parental care. Female penguins lays their single egg and placed in the male feet. How? This female penguins lays only one egg, that too laid in the male feet. Then the mother leaves. The egg is on the top of the feather feet and under his breed flap, that is the one of the father penguin incubate the egg. Approximately 10 penguins may stand in a huddle for 2 to 3 months in order to keep the eggs and warm as good as possible. The father loses about the half of his body weight because he only eats a small parties of a snow. Small portion. It eats only small portions of a snow while in a, that is the patiently the waiting for the egg to hatch. The care of the baby all changes once the egg has hatched. Their matters come back to their take care of them. And although the father doesn't want to give up its baby, it eventually and eventually does. Now the baby is moved to 1 feet of the father, the penguins, and 1 feet of the mother. Both the parents take care of their young ones till they reach, till they search food independently. So likewise, they have to take care of their mother and as well as father regarding the young penguins. Now we have completed